let's get to what the esteemed audience is chomping at the bit to know about. Let's talk a little bit about Jennifer at the literary agent, and why, of all the agents are available, this agency that's was one of the top 25 literary agencies in the country, voted by Writer's Digest. Why should everyone listening, when they've got the whole back catalog of amazing agents to listen to, why is this agency the one that they should be going toward?
Well, you know, there are a lot of great agents. There's some agents you got to watch out for out there. You don't want anybody who's obviously, and you know, people know this, but if you're listening to this for the first time because you're on your journey to find an agent, nobody should ever charge you, ever. You know, and they shouldn't point you toward an editorial service that will charge you and they'll get a cut of. You know, it's the way it works is that we only make money when we sell your work. Okay, so that's why it's very hard, because we're taking on people that we see, like, not just that, oh, I love this, but I can sell this, I can help this person. So why our agency? So our agency is on one of the, like, on a, it's more boutique-y. We have a number of agents, but it's not massive. And Jennifer Chiara, she really sets the tone. She is somebody who's just very, she's very smart. She's a warm-hearted person. She's very sharp, you know, so she really spends a time. Every contract that we do goes through her. She looks at everything over. She, you know, so you're not getting just the agent that you're working with. Like, if you're not represented by Jennifer, but you say you're representing me, you're also getting Jennifer, because she's always there with negotiating and advising and, you know, kind of pointing the way. So she really does a wonderful job. Our agency is connected with, we have our sort of a dedicated foreign rights agent that can bring our work, you know, all over the world. We have a film rights person who has like sort of a first look of everything that we do, that also has amazing relationships with all sorts of film studios, and so that, you know, we have all that. And we also have a very human touch. You know, you're going to get, when you're working with one of us, you're going to get the attention that you deserve as a writer. Not to say that other agencies don't have that, but I just know that here, you know, you're going to get an answer from your agent when you email them. You know what I mean? And you have a problem, you need to talk to them, they'll talk to you.
If I email you today, how long can I wait before I hear back, you think?
Oh, usually it's the same day. If it's not, it'll be like the next day. If I can't get back, I'll usually acknowledge the email and say, you know, you know, I got this. I'll get back to you soon, kind of thing. You know, I have right now 25 clients. That's what I represent as an agent. And, you know, one thing is, as things come in, you know, I'm a very, very editorial agent. So I don't just like take something and flip it out for submission. So if you send me something and it needs work, I spend the time editing and commenting and all that. So it can take, if suddenly all my clients start sending novels, which they do at certain times of year, around New Year's, interestingly enough, summertime, late summer, everybody starts. So I'll have like a queue that kind of builds up. And so, you know, some writers are like, oh, my agent should just get back to me within a month. Sometimes your agent has like about 15 novels that they're reading, and like 5 picture books and 2 chapter books and a proposal, and they're going as fast as they can, and they're doing it themselves. They're not like giving it out to assistants that, you know, interns or things like that. And so it can take a while, but you're getting the care and that you need. And I always tell my clients exactly where things are in the queue when I get them, so they know what to expect. And sometimes, you know, if there's something that's urgent, you do it right away, you know, that kind of stuff. So I'm always working.